Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, take a quick second and hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you know when I'm posting. And don't forget to like this video. This video will be all about some basic conversational greetings that you will need to know when starting a conversation in Spanish. Also, if you're interested in using any of the props used in this video, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you to take a look at. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram information is over here and in the description box below. And don't forget to leave a comment in this video. Don't be shy. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. First, let's review some common salutations that you probably already know in Spanish. So we have the most common one, hola, which is hello, buenos dias, which is good morning or good day, and buenas noches, which is good evening or good night. Now let's review some greetings in Spanish. Alright, so we have our first one, bienvenido, which means welcome. The next phrase, adelante or pase, is a phrase you will use when greeting someone at the door. It means come in. The next phrase, es un placer conocerlo, masculine, or conocerla, feminine. It's a pleasure to meet you. The next one, you would usually use this phrase after you shake someone's hand or when you're introduced to someone. Mucho gusto, which means nice to meet you. And finally, this is a response that you can say when someone says nice to meet you. El gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. Good job. Now let's go ahead and review some greetings that you can use in Spanish when meeting someone for the first time. Okay, so here's our first one. You can simply ask, ¿Cómo se llama? Or, ¿Cómo te llama? Which means, what is your name? Your response can be, me llamo, and then your name. In this instance, me llamo Jasmine. Or, mi nombre es Jasmine. My name is Jasmine. Another question you can ask is, ¿De dónde es? Or, ¿De dónde eres? Which means, where are you from? And a response you can use is, soy de, and then the state that you're from. In this case, soy de California. Good job. Another phrase that you can use when you're introducing someone is, le presento a Jennifer, or te presento a Jennifer. Now we're going to review some questions that you can ask someone that you just met. Here's our first question. ¿Cómo estás? Which is, how are you? The next one, ¿Cómo le va? Or ¿Cómo te va? How's it going? Now here are some responses that you can say to those questions. Muy bien, gracias. Or very good, thank you. Or muy mal, very bad. Good job. Some other Spanish phrases that you can use when meeting someone that you haven't seen in a while would be ¿Qué hay de nuevo? Or what's new? And some responses could be nada, nothing, or no sé, I don't know. Finally, let's go ahead and review some goodbye phrases in Spanish. So the most common one you might know, of course, is adiós, which is goodbye. The next phrase, nos vemos, or hasta luego, which means see you later. Then we have hasta pronto, which is see you soon. The next one, hasta mañana, or see you tomorrow. And a common phrase that you might have heard the Terminator use, hasta la vista, which means until we meet again. Good job. Now we will review the 10 new learned Spanish phrases from today's lesson. Okay, we have the first one, bienvenido, welcome, adelante or pase, come in, mucho gusto, nice to meet you, ¿de dónde es? Or ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? Le presento or te presento, I present. Muy bien, very good. Muy mal, very bad. No sé, I don't know. Nada, nothing. And finally, hasta la vista, until we meet again. Great job! That's all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!